Hello. So in this video, we'll try to understand how these basic multiplication operations are being done on a number line. How can you visualize those? So here I have mentioned that 2 into 2, 4. So we know that when there is no sign, we take it as positive. So this is basically plus 2 into plus 2, and the result is plus 4. Further, we know that when we multiply minus 2 into minus 2, so we also get the result as plus 4. But if any of these numbers have a minus sign, then we get the multiplication result as minus 4. Hmm? But how? That is the question we need to understand. So here I have drawn a number line starting from 0, which is neither plus nor minus. So basically 0 is 0, it doesn't have a sign, right? And then on the right hand side of the 0 we have plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, like that. And on the left hand side we have minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, like that. So for the first one we need to understand this thing. So this these are called operators, this minus sign, uh, whatever. If you have plus, you can also have plus sign here, or division sign here, whatever, but this is called operator. This sign and the sign attached with a number, they carry different meanings in terms of line number. Okay. So for example, when we say plus 2 into plus 2, so okay, now let's assume we have a car. We have a car here. Okay. And this car is being driven according to this rule. So first the instruction is 2 into 2. What does it mean, 2 into 2? That means you need to repeat two times the movement of two places each. What does that mean? So you move for two places. So the car is here, and then the car got moved from here to here to yeah, here to two places. Okay, but this is movement number one. You are supposed to repeat this movement for two times, so you reached this four, and whatever place you reach, that will be the answer. So you reached at plus 4. Okay, hope you got. I'm again explaining. So first you have the card at the 0, and then the instruction is go two places two times. So first I go to two places. Okay, now because the car driver might ask on which direction, on this side or that side. Okay, the answer is on the right hand side, because before these two you have the plus sign, which is invisible, but because we know if there is no sign, that's plus sign. So the car is supposed to go on the right hand side. So two places two times, time two places, two times two places, and the answer is plus 4. Okay. Okay, now second question, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. How come minus 2? Before that, we'll come, let us discuss the third thing first, and then we'll come back to the second. So here, minus 2 and 2 times. So if the car is supposed to go on the minus 2 side, right? So it will just, change its direction. Oops, sorry, just a second. Um I'll just make the car reverse, because now it will go on the left hand side, right? Oops, rather I need to flip it horizontal. Yes. So now I'm discussing the third option, minus 2 two times. So here the car driver has been told that you go to minus 2. Yes, I go to minus 2. Oh, hold on, you need to go it twice. So one time I have gone here, then again minus 2. So I reached minus 4, right? So that's how it works. Now the complicated one, minus 2, you need to go minus 2, but minus 2 times, right? What does that mean? Minus 2 times. So we know that 5 times you just need to repeat 5. Okay, 3 times you need to repeat it for 3. Three number of times you need to do. But what is minus 2 times? That basically suggests the direction of the car is this on the left hand side. That's fine because it is supposed to go minus 2, but it is being dragged behind. Okay, that is minus 2 times. So if I tell you that you go 2 times, so you will go on this side 1 time and 2 time. But if I tell you you go minus 2 times, that means you will actually not go, you will actually come back, right? Because the reverse of go is, or the opposite of go is come back. So minus 2 times means it will come minus 2 time, minus 1 time, and then minus 2 time. So the answer is plus 4. Okay. Again, I'm explaining. When you have minus 2 into plus 2, okay, the third option. So you basically know that I need to go minus 2 places, or 2 places on the minus side 2 times. That I can go. But second question, that is most complicated one. Minus 2 times you need to go, or minus 2 slots you need to go in every sprint, but then you need to reverse it. So the car need to go in the reverse direction because the direction is minus 2. Okay. So that final place that will reach will be plus 4. Okay. Now if you want to do maths all the time, by just remembering this car analogy, it will be difficult, right? So that's why your teacher and in the school, in the book, everywhere, they ask you to memorize this thing, that plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, also plus, and if any of the symbol changes, then the result is always minus. So plus minus is always minus. I mean the multiplication, or the minus plus multiplication is always also minus. So that's the concept.